How to properly cook mushrooms. The number one rule of cooking mushrooms is always cook them. So if you get anything out of this video, please remember that. Mushrooms have super tough cell walls and are essentially indigestible because of the chitin in the cell walls if not cooked. Thoroughly cooking them releases the nutrients they contain, including protein, B vitamins, and minerals, as well as a wide range of novel food compounds not found elsewhere. Mushrooms, even common button mushrooms, contain traces of carcinogenic compounds in raw form. The same toxin, hydrazine, is also found in portobello mushrooms and shiitake mushrooms, and they also contain a naturally occurring formaldehyde. Both chemicals are heat sensitive and are abolished upon exposure to heat. I steam my mushrooms covered for 10 minutes, starting counting when the steam is coming out of the pot well. I learned this from a chef and have enjoyed my mushrooms more pre-cooked in this manner. They fry up easier after coating them and work better in all my dishes. You can steam them and then freeze them for later use also if you have a bunch. I would suggest you use the water for soups as it has nutrients left in it after you strain it. I really love to cut them large and can them in pint jars. I then coat them and fry them when it's convenient. Where do I get my mushrooms? I grow most of them. Look on my channel for step-by-step videos. I buy a few and I forage a few. If you're not a mushroom expert though, please grow your own or buy them. I can't stress this enough. Here's a little jar that my friend Nakakande in Africa did, showing that there's multiple ways of growing mushrooms, and these are oyster mushrooms, which are wonderful for cooking and eating. She helps the people there grow mushrooms as a way to put more minerals in their diet. It also helps really fill out a pot of food. They're great. Thanks for watching my video, and please help me make more by subscribing and liking this video, and look down below for Nakande's charity that I hope you'll just consider supporting. Please see my other videos on how to grow oyster mushrooms at home, grow oyster spawn yourself, and other upcoming DIY homesteading videos. Blessings to you all.